Good morning, students. This is 6th standard solar system. The Earth, the solar system. The night when one side of the moon is completely visible in the Earth is called full moon or night. The Earth in the solar system. The night when one side of the moon is completely visible from the Earth is called full moon night or Purnima. Our known moon is night or new moon night. In the new moon night is called Amavasya. The night's twinkling bodies. These bodies are called stars. They are very big and hot celestial bodies made up of gases and emit large amount of heat and light. Stars closer to the light, the sun, the star closest to earth. Clusters of billions of stars along with dust and gas are bound together by gravity. Such clusters of stars are called galaxies. Meanings of galaxies together make up our universe. Some stars not twinkling and just glow steadily. Warning stars. Planets, moon, all those objects. Celestial bodies, gases, and emit large amount of stars closer to the sun. Sun is the star. Clusters of billions of stars, dust and gas. Galaxies, millions of galaxies, not twinkling and just glow steadily. Warning stars. Planets, moon, all those objects. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies, heat and light. Celestial bodies, stars, night sky, constellations. Small bit of star 7 Rishi sages. Sun, celestial bodies. Solar system. Planets, moons, comets, asteroids, meteoroids. These objects are held together is the solar system due to sun's family. Sun, heat and light. Solar system. Planets, moons, comets, asteroids, meteoroids and meteorites and meteorites. These objects are held together in the solar system, the sun's gravitational pulls. Heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. Planets reflect sunlight that is insides on them. They have no light of their own. Orbits. Period of revolution. 360 degrees. Period of rotation. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto planet, once considered as the farthest planet, has lost its status of being a planet. Sun is the star closest to the Earth. 8 light minutes. Huge ball of gases. Hydrogen gas, helium gas. Energy. So brightness of the energy. Sun is so huge that nearly million Earths can enclosed on it. Mercury. Sun is so huge that nearly million Earths can be enclosed on it. Mercury, Sun. 88 days. It has no satellite. Venus is a second planet. 225 days. West to east. Night sky, eastern sky and western sky. Venus, morning star and evening star. Earth. $365.25 days. 24 hours. Spring, winter, autumn and summer. Atmosphere, right temperature and presence of water. Atmosphere, blanket of ozone, support life. Earth has only one natural satellite, that is Moon. Red planet, the Moon. Phobos, Deimos, Martian soil, iron oxide and reddish appearance. One revolution 687. And Jupiter, Europa, Callisto, Huygens or Jupiter, Saturn, solar system. Saturn, Jupiter, yellowish ice particles, dust. Saturn is the only planet that's lighter. Titan, Uranus, coldest planet. Venus. ஸோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம சோலார் சிஸ்டம் பற்றி ஒரு ஓவரால் வியூ பற்றி இப்போ நான் கொஞ்சம் உனக்கு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இதில் இருந்து நீ என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்ட அப்படிங்கிறத நீ எனக்கு என்ன செய்ய அப்படின்னா, உன்னோட வாய்ஸ் ரெக்கார்டர் மூலமாகவோ அல்லது நோட்டில் எழுதியோ எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்பினாலும் சரி, இல்லை வாய்ஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் அனுப்பினாலும் சரி. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூப்பா.